Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So we're going to jump right into this video. I know it's halfway through January, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm currently using as my everyday makeup for January 2019. Alright, so we're going to jump straight into the palettes. I chose 4 palettes this time around, and I'm mainly because one of them I have not ever used, and I just don't use the rest of them, and I'm kind of weaning out products out of my makeup collection and trying to find ones that I really do like and that I am going to let go of. So the first one that I will be adding to, or that is currently in my January monthly makeup stash, is this Peach Dreams eyeshadow palette, and this one is from Juno Co. Forgot. So this is the Peach Dreams eyeshadow palette, and it is from Juno Co. And I actually used this palette on my eyes today, and I only used 3 shades, and I forgot that I really do like this palette. So far so good. So yeah, I will be adding this palette. The next palette I'm adding is from ColourPop, and it's the Element of Surprise palette. I actually have not used this palette yet, and this came in excuse me, and this came in a BoxyCharm. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. It doesn't come with this on here. This just tells me the shade names. It doesn't come with that on there, but these are the colors. I have not exactly used this palette on myself, but this palette was used on me when my husband did my makeup video. It was a while ago that video came out, but yeah, I will be adding this palette to my stash. I will also be adding in the Summer Nights eyeshadow palette. This is from Mad Love by Juno Co. So it's another Juno Co eyeshadow palette. And ooh, I forgot I had this plastic still in here. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I have not picked it up probably since the first time I did this video on reviewing this eyeshadow palette. So I want to play with this palette some more to see how I like this palette and if I want this to stay in my makeup collection. Another eyeshadow palette that I'm adding into my makeup collection is this one right here. This is by Crown Pro, and it came in a BoxyCharm. Now I think I used this one time, and that was in that tutorial. That was it. Yeah, so the shades are warm tone shades that I will gravitate towards, but I want to play with this palette to see how I truly feel about this palette, because I really don't remember, so this one is going into my stash as well. On to foundations. I'm only adding in one foundation, and it's the foundation I'm currently wearing today, and that is the Maybelline 24 Hour Foundation, and I am in the shade 355 Coconut. I'm also going to be adding in 3 setting sprays, because they're almost gone, so I want to use them up. I'm going to finish off the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, which this will probably be gone the next time I use it. So I'm adding this. I'm also adding in this facial spray right here. I already reviewed this product and how I felt about it and all the other stuff. But yeah, there's a little bit in here, probably about like 2 or 3 more uses, and then this will be gone. So I'm adding this into my makeup stash as well. Along with this e.l.f. Matte Magic Setting Spray. Yeah, I'm adding this too. So those are all my setting sprays. Now we're going to jump into everything else on my face. So I was having everything in a makeup bag in my bathroom, but I switched it up, and now I have everything in this little case in my bathroom, and that's where everything sits and that's where everything lives. So we're going to go in with the bottom drawer first. This unit actually comes with 3 drawers. I've taken the top one out to fit taller products in. Okay, so I only have 2 drawers in there. So this first one here has my makeup remover wipes, as you can see right here. Then I have a Makeup Revolution lip pencil. Uh-oh. Well, that one ran away. Then I have this same LA Girl lip pencil in the shade Chocolate that I have been working on, and it is almost finished, so I'm super excited about that. I am also bringing in my Glossier, this right here. This is a balm. You can use it on your elbows, anywhere that's ashy, but I use it on my lips. So I will be adding this to my little makeup drawer I got right here in my hand. Then I have two lip shades. I am using Pop Beauty, and this is in the shade Nearly Naked, and I really do like the shade. This is actually the shade that's currently on my lips right now. Then I also added in this another liquid lipstick, and this is in the same shade as the lip pencil by Makeup Revolution, and I decided to add this in to my monthly makeup drawer as well. So on to my next and final drawer. Okay, this is my next and final drawer in my little unit here. Now, as you can see that this is a lot higher than this drawer. That's the whole reason why I removed that's the reason why I moved the top drawer out, and I'm not using it. So here's everything in this drawer. So let me go ahead and show you guys what's in here. Oh, here, I'll show you. See, can you see? All right, now I'm gonna pull everything out. So I am going to be using my L'Oreal Matte Lock primer. I'm also going to be using my Urban Decay eyeshadow base primer. I have two mascaras in here. I have one from Wet n Wild and this one here from Tarte that came in a BoxyCharm. I am throwing in this creamy highlight cheek color here from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Yummy Cookie. This was in their collaboration with Hello Kitty, which they no longer have this one. I am so sorry, but I want to finish this, so it's gonna be in here. And yeah, next I have a pressed powder, and this is by Rimmel, and this is their Stay Matte pressed powder, and this is in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm also bringing in the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 35D. For concealers, I'm actually bringing in two concealers that you guys are aware of if you've been watching my videos for long enough. I have this ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm actually taking off the little plastic tube off of it so that way I can get the rest of the product out. And I'm also going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer right here. And this is in the shade Golden. Now, I did not give you the shade to this one because this is from their packaging before they added more concealer shades. So that's why I didn't give you the shade to this one. Next, a new item that I want to be trying out. Well, it's not exactly new, but it's new to me. Like I've had it and never used it, and it's from Ulta Beauty, and this is their Clear Brow Gel. So I wanted to, actually play with this because I've had it, haven't used it, so I'm playing with some brow gel here. Next, I am pulling out a eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner, and this is from M Cosmetics. I believe I received this in an Ipsy bag, I want to say, and it's just a black brush tip eyeliner. I'm also going to be bringing in a pencil eyeliner, and this is from Pixi. This is in the shade, what shade is this? I knew it. Black Noir. That's the name of the shade. It's just a black pencil eyeliner from Pixi. Then I'm also bringing in this Ulta Beauty. It's an eyeliner, and you can also use it as an eyeshadow crayon. And it looks just like this, and this is in the shade, this does not have a shade. Okay, but it's like a brown shade with like little shimmers in it. Well, not brown, more of like a bronze shade with shimmers in here. And I'll show you guys right here. And it's very, very pretty. If you guys can see that, there you go. That is the shade of this pencil that I'll be using as the eyeliner and as the eyeshadow color. Next for my brows, I'm actually bringing in this brow pencil right here. This is from MAC. This is in the shade Spiked. I'm actually wearing it right now. And it came in a BoxyCharm, and I'm really loving this pencil, and I don't understand why I didn't pick it up earlier. But yeah. Next, I'll be using two items that I have not picked up in a very long time. Like, I probably used both of these products one time and then they just sat, because these are single eyeshadows. So I'm bringing in this single eyeshadow by Dirty Little Secret, and I do not know what shade this is. This is in the shade Gold Plated. So this is the pencil here. It rolls up and down, and ooh, it goes on very creamy, and that is a shade right there. It's a very pretty shade. Very pretty. I'm also using this eyeshadow crayon, and this is from the brand Note Cosmetics, and this is in the shade, what shade is this? The shade is purple. So I'm just going to put that on my hand too, and that is the shade right there, as you can see it. Very pretty. So yeah, I'm bringing this out and we're going to use this. Alright, so that is everything and my makeup stash for, I'm saying makeup stash, but there's actually drawers. So in my makeup drawers for January. Yeah, so this is what I'll be using for the rest of January. And you know what? I'm kind of happy with my picks. Alright, so just to let you know, I don't think the video has went up yet, but if it has, I will make sure I link it up above if it has already went out before this one. I am doing a 2019, I'm doing a 2019 panning, but the thing is, I'm not doing 19 and 2019. I'm actually going to do a full makeup collection pan for 2019. Now, that does not exactly mean my eyeshadow palettes, because y'all already know how I am with eyeshadow palettes, and trying to pan one is just not going to happen this year. It's just not going to happen. But yeah, everything else in my collection that is not an eyeshadow palette or yeah, eyeshadow palette, I am going to try and attempt to pan everything. I will say that. I said try and attempt. But yes, I want to kind of go through all of my makeup and collection and use up everything. And if I find out that I am using it and I don't like it, I don't want it to stay. It has to go bye-bye. Because I want to be able to start a new makeup collection and be all fresh and everything by 2020. Yeah. Okay. So, once again, if you are new to my channel, I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you stay for a while and subscribe. Make sure your bell is turned on. And be a part of my little fam bam here on the tube. So thank you so much for coming by. And always remember to embrace your beauty. And I'll talk to you again later. Bye!